Assalamu alaikum. I would like to show you how to fix a smoke detector in this video. Now let us start how to termination a smoke detector. Firstly, we see the device of a smoke detector. The smoke detector names look like this. Photo IV is symbol. Smoke detector. Okay, and this loop is number 117 in drawing. If it is clear, yes, this 11 here and 7 here. This for onis and this for tens. Here 0 tens, 20, 30, 40, like this. Okay, how to termination the base of smoke detector. Firstly, the smoke detector, if we have relay, okay, we will connect another wire. Okay, ordinary wire we have come and out is connecting in this minus blue, or in another case another type of cable it is black, but the cable have a DC or have a positive is connected here. Okay, and for indicator we connect one cable here. Let me show you how to connect it. I am alone, so that I need to connect it by myself. In case of relay, we connect this in RA, another here, another cable blue here in minus, and we have also 4 wires, 2 brown come and back, we connect it here in positive brown, look like this color, and another cable come and back, we connect it in minus in this point minus. There is 3 cable, 3 wires, color yellow, not yellow, blue, excuse me, and another we have a 2 cable here, look like this color, brown or red, no different, and this for relay just alone here in RA relay. Okay, we will show how to connect this device.
Arabic.
Okay, firstly I'm start with English because everybody to understand what's the point we say. Now here we find the same point. We have here in the negative 3 cables or 3 wires, and in the positive also 2 wire, 3 wire here, and last one in RA.
Touch the screen. Once touch the screen, they will be clean.
Okay. Okay.
Aywa.
Yes, this is clear. This for relay. 1 cable for relay. This cable, small cable for relay, and this for another device as drawing. Okay, I will. This is ready right now. Just we fix this box. Engineer, please help me to